What's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Welcome back, guys. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. Man, shout out to everybody's out there right now. Trading the markets. If you're inside crypto, if you are inside, a lot of shorts being liquidated right now. You're inside crypto. If you're in the traditional markets, shout out to you if you guys did short the market today, this morning. If you're in crypto, long the markets, if you're in futures, you short the market, right? The CPI numbers came out 8:30 this morning, Eastern Standard Time. So shout out to you guys, but make sure, first thing first, guys, you like, share, and subscribe to the channel right now. Make sure you follow us on all our different social media handles you guys see below at The Crypto Black, as you guys can see, at The Crypto Black. So guys, make sure you are following us on all different social media. We got great information on all different socials, all right? Let's refresh this page real quick because things are starting to look a little bit better from the drop. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, man, shout out to everybody that's out there, in YouTube land that's watching the video right now. So, man, what we're gonna do today, man, we're gonna talk about inflation numbers hit. The CPI numbers hit the highest since 1981 as BTC dips under 19K. We're gonna see that. It says U.S. inflation comes in a full 0.3% higher than expected, caused a dollar strength spike and the euro to fall below parity with USD. I think euro actually went to $1. Actually went lower than the US dollar for the first time in over 20 years. So I think it was 2002. So that's something right there to think about there as well, guys. Also, we'll talk about how the NFL, man, it looked to expand their ticket stubs, NFTs, to over 100 games this upcoming season. So, just something to think about as well for people that do watch the NFL. But, man, let's check the markets out real quick. Let's see what's going on. Bitcoin fall below 20,000. It dipped, guys, all the way down. Like, it's about to get to 20,000 again. It dipped all the way down to $18,919, guys, with the inflation numbers. Like, people say, okay, cool, we got it, we know what it is, and then anybody start pushing everything up. But it could be a fake out, so we don't know. But we still in between this box, guys. Like I said before, we got to get out of this box. So we did close below this box here. Which I said we've been under this box here and closed below it since June the 16th. So we've been underneath this box for at least 27 days right now, guys. So we're playing between this. We got to get above 21,732. We get above 21,732, then I can start saying, okay, now we're starting to get bullish again. All right, but we just traded in between this box right here. It doesn't matter. Yep, we'll dip below the $919. Yep, that's cool and all, but we got to get above 21,732 in order for me to start saying, all right, cool, yeah, then we start to make a move. All right, then we start to push up. Can we get above that and close above it? Because we did have wicks, but we got to close above it. We close above it, then we can see this push up to about 25,000 up to 50-day. We might get rejected hard off of that. All right, but let's check out Ethereum as well. Ethereum, guys, just looking at it right here. Same exact thing. We seen Ethereum. We actually have to get, we pushed all the way down. We got to get, stay above this here. We had what? We did push down earlier today to $1,006, depending on what exchange you're looking at. But we did push down to $1,006.58. So if you did short it down today, you didn't, during the inflation, then, shout out to you. But we're starting to see a push up. We're starting to see a push up and try to get back over 1,100. But, we got to get above this number here. We're looking at, pretty much 1,998, basically, the numbers you really want to look at, that we're looking at. But at the same time, guys, we have to get above this number here. It's 1118. I like to get above there and close. But the real number that we're really staring at right now is 1284. 1284, 1285. We get above this. That's why I have my alerts already set for here. We get above this number here, close above this number, then we can see a push up. See a push up and potentially get to about like 13 to 1400. All right. We got to close, but we got to close above this number here though. All right. That's the number I want to see. We got to close above 1284. All right, for Ethereum. But man, we're seeing volume come in, seeing some money come in. But at the end of the day, don't fall for the fake out, guys, because at the end of the day, where we at right now is where we was at yesterday. So if you just went to sleep for a day, went on vacation, whatever, you didn't check any numbers, anything like that, you didn't day trade, nothing like that, you said, okay, yeah, what position you in? You're in the same position you was in yesterday. All right. So we had a knee jerk, we had a push up overnight, and then when the CPI numbers came out, it just dropped it. All right. And then we coming right back to where we was already at. All right. But man, let's get right to it. So it says Bitcoin fell $800 in minutes on July the 13th as the latest United States Consumer Price Index CPI data came in far ahead of estimates. That said, dollar smashes new 20-year highs on hot CPI. That said, data from Cointelegraph, Market Pro, and TradingView followed BTC USD as it dived under 19K minutes after the June CPI print, which put U.S. inflation at 9.1%. Expectations has favored 8.8% CPI year on year, this still being the highest reading since the start of the 1980s. So it says, with inflation all but guaranteeing further rate hikes from the Federal Reserve, the mood among risk assets, including crypto, swiftly turned sour. I said peak inflation is here with CPI coming in at 9.1%. Cointelegraph contributor Michael Van D. Pope reacted, adding that 19.5 should have held for BTC to avoid cascading south some more. So it said the knock-on effect of the CPI numbers were also seen in the U.S. dollar. After the release, the U.S. dollar index DXY spiked to new 20-year highs, forcing the euro below parity as a result. So yeah, guys, so if you guys are going to Europe, or if you guys traveling, period, the dollar is strong. So if you guys are traveling, going out of the country, then right now is the best time to do that because the dollar is strong. It's very, very, very strong. So I noticed that when I went to that was a few months ago. I can just imagine right now when I went to Egypt a few months ago. The dollar was strong. I was able to get a lot of things. You know what I mean? When I exchanged over to the Egyptian currency. So, it was definitely good. But so if you are traveling right now, the best time to travel overseas, because the dollar is very, very strong. All right, because only 12 out of the last 110 years had inflation above 9%. Charles Edwards, CEO of crypto asset manager CapPro, continued. If inflation was still calculated the same as it was 4 decades ago, today's reading would likely dwarf the others. Wow, because the numbers is not really like. I think in the 80s, I think they changed it. The 80s, I think they changed the way they do inflation. So it says, at the time of writing, BTC traded back above 19K. As we know, guys, BTC is pretty much pushing, is trying to push to get over 20,000 again. But we seeing what's going on. Get a nice little rejection. We'll see how that work out. Like I said, don't fall. Don't sit. You might have a nice little ride, but don't fall for it, man, because you just never know. We want to see. What's really going on. So all coins already falling, or let's have your stops in place. Don't go crazy. So it says altcoins already falling in line with BTC prior to the CPI events. Also gave up recent gains. Conspicuous was Ether, which threatened to go below 1,000 for the first time since June 30th. Other coins in the top 10 currencies dropped 34%, which you already know. Bitcoin drops, all the rest of them going to fall hard. You know what I mean? So Bitcoin is like this. Bitcoin catch the cold, they catch pneumonia. That's how it goes. But man, let's check out the NFL. The NFL expanded ticket stub NFTs over 100 games for 2022 season. The league will offer free flow-based collectibles. I'm telling you, Flow got some stuff going on over there, guys. I was at a Flow event, Jim Jones event at NFT NYC. It was pretty dope. And Flow got a lot of stuff going on. So, I was. It doesn't do anything for the token, though. I don't know what's going on, but I think they need to start doing stuff for the token. You know what I mean? Start having something with a token. You know what I mean? Have you use a token to buy the stuff, whatever. But I don't know. They still have people use credit cards and everything. I don't know. I don't know how they doing it. But you want that token to really move, um, have some utility behind it. You gotta do something with it. Man. I don't know. Since the NFL will offer free NFT virtual commemorative tickets for attendees of over 100 regular season games next season. It says the NFTs are minted on the Flow blockchain. Last season, NFT ticket stubs were minted on Ethereum scaling platform Polygon. They said that NFL first experimented with giving away commemorative NFT ticket stubs to attendees on select live games last season. And then the league plans on bringing the initiative to significantly more games for the 2022 season. Today, the NFL announced that it will offer NFT ticket stubs to attendees of more than 100 live regular season games during the 2022 season. As with last year, the NFT virtual commemorative ticket initiative is being held in partnership with events ticketing giant Ticketmaster. Currently, 101 total games are listed on the promotion, which is pretty dope. So the NFL expanded NFT virtual commemorative ticket initiative will include every single first week game, with the Buffalo Bills versus the Rams on the 8th of September at SoFi Stadium. Additionally, each of the league's 32 teams will offer NFT stubs for at least 3 home games over the course of the season. So wow, so every team gonna be a part of it. So that's gonna be pretty dope. It says we are still in the test and learn phase of all of these NFT explorations, said Abby Desai, who works on the NFL club business development team. But we also but we wanted to do something that all 32 clubs will be able to engage with and offer to their fans on a local level. NFL, I'm telling you, you write me a check that I really like with some good zeros in it, I'll show you a lot of things you can do with NFTs in the NFL. I mean, a lot. But the zeros have to look nice. It gotta be a lot of them. There gotta be a lot of friends with those zeros, okay? They gotta come together in a nice, good family pack. You write me a nice, good check, I'll give you some great ideas what you can do with the NFL. But the zeros gotta be nice. All right. So the NFL offered virtual ticket NFT collectibles for 21 regular season games last season, along with 12 postseason games, the Pro Bowl, and the Super Bowl. All told, the league said that it distributed more than 500,000 total NFT ticket collectibles during the season. This season, virtual commemorative ticket NFTs will be minted on Flow, the same blockchain platform used for the NFL all-day video collectibles. Last season's NFT ticket stubs were minted on Polygon and Ethereum scaling solution, but the league and Ticketmaster switched to Flow, starting with April. An NFT works like a proof of ownership for an item, including digital goods. You guys already know what NFTs are. But yeah, Flow was back with NBA Top Shot as well. But like I said, they have to. The thing about Flow, they gotta find it. They should sell it for Flow. Like, you know what I mean? You gotta buy Flow, and then, you know what I mean, that's how you buy the tickets or something like that. They gotta do something like that. Or people that just people that just investing in Flow just not gonna really see the price move like that if they're not doing it, on that way. You just buy it with your credit card and everything like that, really not doing anything. But yeah, so yeah, guys, what you guys think about this, man? I think it's a good idea, but as far as adoption, but as far as Flow, I don't know how they gonna get the price to move for that token unless they actually start implementing that. But for the inflation, guys, like I said, just be careful. My plan is to just pretty much keep dollar cost averaging, and also, and play off my support resistant lines. Do I buy at 18.9? Absolutely. I buy about 18. I say about 18.852 is a good buy area if you're going to be doing a little day trading. To 18.852. See if you can drop down to that, and then pick it up from there, and then go from there, man. And that's what I would do. And you can ride it right back up here. But if you're gonna be shorting, wait for it to drop below that. Wait for it to drop below this low, here, and if it push below this low, then you wanna short. You can short it down. You can short it down. I would say an easy trade. You can short it down from 18.9 to about 18. What's this? About 18. Yeah, about 18,000. You can short it down to there, and because if it falls, it's gonna fall hard. And then I'll go from there. And if not, you can try to test the previous lows, but it's gonna be a little risky. But I would say if I'm gonna trade, I wait for it to drop below this low today, and then get to about 18,000. 18,000 would be good. Yeah, we go from there, guys. What about 18? I say 18.6 is a real easy trade. 18.6 would be a real easy trade. Yeah, real easy trade. But you can push it down to probably 18,000. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.